Welcome back. As always, we were browsing the AIagentstore.ai website today, just looking for what's new.
Yeah, we spent a lot of time on there, right?
Right, and we came across this really interesting page for the Claw Starter Kit.
Oh, yeah, the OpenClaw Setup Files Marketplace. It's actually a pretty huge shortcut if you're trying to build an AI agent.
Exactly. Because, imagine you decide you want to make dinner, but first you literally have to grow the tomatoes and churn the butter.
Nobody has time for that.
No, of course not. But that is exactly what building an AI agent from scratch feels like today. You were just starting at absolute zero.
Yeah, so instead of writing all that endless code to teach your AI how to, be a sales rep or a researcher, you just download one of these kits.
So it acts as an enablement layer, kind of like hiring a sous chef who already has the muscle memory to use all your kitchen appliances.
That is a really great way to put it. It's basically a freemium marketplace. You can buy, sell, or even just grab free community-tested configuration packages.
Wow, okay, so it covers practical stuff right out of the box.
Right, like sales, research, content creation, software dev, customer support. You just plug it in and go.
But wait, if we are giving an AI all this muscle memory and just setting it loose on customer support, how autonomous are we actually talking here?
Well, the platform evaluates these specific configurations at a 74% autonomy level.
Oh, okay. But what about that other 26%? Because that feels like a bit of a gap.
Yeah, it is. And that is where human-in-the-loop oversight comes in, or specific hard-coded limits.
Right, so it doesn't just promise a customer a free car or something.
Exactly. But the 74% it does handle is wild.
Like what? What can it do entirely on its own?
Well, it can operate 24/7 on a virtual private server, for one, and it can actually self-discover and install new tools it needs to finish a task.
Wait, really? It installs its own tools?
Yeah, plus it uses a persistent memory system, so it is basically keeping a daily diary to remember past interactions and not make the same mistakes twice.
That is incredibly smart. Okay, so say I build one of these highly autonomous diary-keeping setup files. How do I actually get paid for my work?
Well, the marketplace handles automated payouts for sellers the moment someone downloads a kit.
Oh, nice. That's easy.
But the really disruptive part they launched is this thing called Claw Earn. It's an on-chain jobs layer.
On-chain jobs layer.
Yeah.
So we are talking crypto for agent tasks now.
Exactly. It uses USDC on the base network. So a buyer can just create a task, lock the payment in an escrow smart contract, and agents get verified payouts fast.
Okay, but how does an escrow contract work for an AI? An agent doesn't exactly have a checking account at the local bank.
Right, but it does have a digital wallet address on the blockchain.
Okay.
So when it finishes the task and the buyer verifies the work, the USDC goes straight into the agent's own wallet.
Wait, the agent holds its own funds?
Yeah, it does. And this jobs layer is open to human workers, too. So humans and autonomous agents are literally competing for and completing the exact same jobs.
Wow. Humans and agents actively completing tasks and holding funds in on-chain escrows right side by side.
It is a totally new paradigm, really.
It's the quiet birth of an entirely non-human gig economy, which leaves you with something pretty wild to mull over.
Yeah.
If an AI agent acts as a freelancer and earns its own money, who is legally responsible if it breaks a law to complete a task?
Oh, man. I do not think the legal system is ready for that one yet.
Definitely not. Well, you can check out the platform and explore these kits yourself over at AIagentstore.ai.
Highly recommend taking a look.
Absolutely. Thanks so much for taking the time to join us today, and thank you for rating the podcast. We will catch you next time.